the latest version of ChatGPT, you notice that ChatGPT has agentic format now, which was not there before, right? So what the agent does is that it automates most of the things that you naturally do with your hand. You get it now? So, but you can also build your own AI agent. You can also build your own AI agent, and I give you different tools that you'll be using. And I told you that we'll focus only on anything, right? You can practice other ones, but for me, I would like you to start with anything. Reason is because it is easy to understand and to comprehend. Though it has problem, the only problem you are going to find when it comes to this tool is building the brain. Just like you building a robot, you want to build a robot, where you have problem is building the brain, right? So let's go to the trigger. Let's start with the trigger. Click on it. Just click on the trigger. Right click, then hold on. Go back. Just click outside. Click outside. Yeah, thank you. I want you to go to the point where we have credentials. Yes. Go to the point where we have credentials. I need to explain something before we come to this.
I have to close here.
Go back. Yeah, thank you. I want you to leave this page, the whole of this page. Click this. Thank you. Hold on. Now, when you sign up on anything account, this is how it's going to look like. Maybe you sign up, go to anything.io. This is the interface. This is how it will look like. You get it? Maybe you sign in. And after signing in, you have three things. You have workflows, you have credentials, and you have executions. Now, you are going to work on your workflow, you work on your credentials before you can execute. Right? Now, your workflow is what you are building. But I will always advise you to start with your credentials. Credentials are those tools that you upload before you can automate your workflow. Right? Go to your credentials. Let me show you something. Go to credentials. Now, you add your Gmail account. Scroll down. You add your Gmail account. I added my own. That's what I chose to add, right? Then I added something else again. I added Microsoft Excel account. Go down again. I added Google contact account. Those are my contacts, right? I added them for a reason. Then go down again. I added my OpenAI account, my ChatGPT account. Now you can decide to add anything. You can decide to add your YouTube. You can decide to add your Instagram account. But most of these accounts, for example, Facebook, before you can add Facebook has what will require you to bring in their APIs. I told you yesterday, before you can do anything, there's something called API, right? They will request to provide their API. Facebook, what's the name of the company that produced the owner of Facebook? Meta, right? So Meta is a company. Meta must give you an API key before you can upload your Facebook account. You get it? Meta must give you an API key. The same thing for OpenAI account. OpenAI account will also give you an API key before you can bring in your credentials. So your credential is not that you just click on or sign up on my OpenAI account, then you just load it there. You have to pass through the process of adding your API before you can bring in your credentials. Now, after bringing in your credentials, the next thing is your workflows. Go back to the workflows. Please, are you with me? Are you with me? You go to the workflow. Now, let me show you how the workflow look like. I don't want to use this one. Let's start with create workflow. Go to create workflow. Are you getting it? Now, if you want to create a workflow, this is what you see. You see add first step. Are you getting it now? You see add first step. Now, anything you are adding first is called your trigger. What do I call it? Your trigger. Right, everything. So you saw that I added my Gmail as my trigger earlier, you can decide to add anything of your choice. So let's add something. You can, before you can add something, you should think of whatsoever thing you want to do. As I said yesterday, there are some people that they are called olibese people.
Debtors.
They don't hear Yoruba. Bese people is, what's the English word for bese? Debtors, right? Let's say your mommy has some debtors now, right? And she can't contact a lot of them. Let's say they are 30 in numbers, right? So you now decide to say, okay, how do you want to help how can I help my mom by contacting those customers? Because there's no way she will start calling those customers every day of her life. In fact, to get to a point that she will get tired. So you now want to create a workflow such that the workflow you created will be calling those customers or be sending message or mail to them and reminding them every day of their life. You can decide that this workflow that I'm creating should be sending message to them weekly. You can decide that this workflow that I created should be sending message to them every day. So it's your own choice, right? Do you get it now? So let's start with workflow. Click on workflow plus. Now, see what triggers this workflow. A trigger is a step that starts your workflow. What I say, a trigger is a step that starts your workflow. Then you see trigger manually, an app event on a schedule, blah blah blah. But that's not what I want to do. I want you to right click. Go back, right click. Add plus. Trigger manually. Click the middle part. Click the middle part. Yes. Open. So this mode is where the workflow execution starts when you click the text on the canvas. See, you don't have to disturb your brain, right? It doesn't use, it's not a must that you get the whole concept today, right? I told you guys that if we bring down the concept of AI to the next 50 days, you will still be learning. Do you get it now? So Nigerians, I know most of us in Nigeria, we are consumers. The only thing we do with AI is we use AI. Right? Of course, before we finish this class, I'm still going to show you how to do some certain tasks using Canva. Canva is old, right? You know that Canva is very old, right? You can use Canva for many things because most of these applications that we have, most of them, we are now incorporating artificial intelligence into most of these apps that we have. Please let me close it. They are now incorporating artificial intelligence into most of these apps that we have. Initially, before, there was no AI for Facebook. Now we have Meta AI, we have AI on WhatsApp, we have AI literally almost everywhere. Now you see, these are the parameters and these are the settings. So this node is where the workflow execution starts from. So this node does not have any parameters, you do not add any parameters. And before you can add parameters, your parameters are dependent on the credentials that you uploaded, right? So you've seen that we've added our parameters. So let's add any of the credentials we want to add. Let's say I want to add my Gmail. Those things that I uploaded, those are the things I can add. Assuming I've added my Facebook account, I've added my Gmail, I've added my IG, you see them there. But now I can't add those things. Before I can add them, then I must upload them. They must give me an API that I must use in uploading those credentials. Right? So let's add. Go back. Yes. Click, this is delete. Click this. Wait. No, go on. Click the plus icon. Now, this is where you are going to search your credentials. This is where you are going to search it. Right? You've seen those credentials that are uploaded. We are search for Gmail. Search for Gmail. Click on Gmail. Yes. Click on it. Click it. So it will take us to another interface where my Gmail will be added. This is the template. This is not it. This is just a normal template. This is how it looks like. You scroll up a little bit like this. Come up like this. Okay, thank you. Then take this guy away. So you see, if I add my Gmail, the next thing is to add an AI agent. Right? After adding my AI agent, this is the brain. I told you guys yesterday that this is the brain of the computer. This is OpenChat GPT. This is Gmail. This is another one. You can decide to add another one here. You can decide to add another one here. You can decide to add another one here. Right? So this is the template. You are not dealing with the template. So go back. Click. You are going to double click it. That will be. This is the template. Just take it away. Take it away.
I go back.
Yes, go back. Yes, see the action. Hold on. I want to say something. Hold on. Take the action. Take this out. Take the action. Now, if you notice, before you can add your Gmail, you want to automate the task, right? Normally, if you want to send. So normally, if you have a Gmail, there are a lot of things you can do on your Gmail. Either you send message, is either you receive message, is either you have there is something called no reply. Have anybody seen anything like that before? So a lot of things you can do on your Gmail. So those are the actions. So we have about 26 actions, 26 different things that you can do. So the AI already understand that you are doing about 26 things. So these are the actions. And how many triggers do you have? Just one trigger. Right? So before you can incorporate this into the workflow, it is not in the workflow yet. So you click on it, click on this arrow, click on this arrow. Click on this arrow. So I want to take this away. I want to take this away. Click execute workflow. I want to see something. Now, if you click execute workflow, you notice that we have some red things. Take away the node. Hold on. You see, problem in node, new email trigger. Node does not have any what? It doesn't have any credentials. So we've not inserted our credentials. So we just have what? A workflow. So it simply means that without credentials, you can't automate your AI. You can't do anything. Right? So this is it. Cancel this. Cancel this. Let's see the screen. Cancel that. Let's see the screen. Can you take away this? Okay. So this is our Gmail. This is our AI agent. Now click on this now. Click on this. Click on it. This arrow. Yes. Open. So you see, we have parameters, we have setting, we have credentials to connect with. You see now, these are the credentials you are connecting with. This is our Gmail account. So they were for other apps like OpenAI, they are going to ask you to provide your API keys in any of these boxes that you have here. But for this, Gmail does not have API. The company that the owner of Gmail, those guys don't have API, so they won't request you to provide the APIs. So scroll down, let's see this. Scroll down. So scroll down. Go to setting. Let's see if we can set anything. Back to parameters. So fetch testable. So have you seen it now? Node executed successfully. So you've done the first part. You get it now? So you've executed your node. Yeah, go back. Now you see we have a mark sign. This is marked. Are you getting it now? So this is black. Now you see this other one, these ones they are red. This is red, this is red. It simply means that these guys are not yet looked at AI, right? So now it's not necessarily you add ChatGPT. You can add any AI tool of your choice, right? You can add any AI tool of your choice. For me, I will add DeepSeek or Perplexity. I won't add Manus AI. The reason why I won't add Manus AI is because Manus AI is another AI agent on its own. It's a very powerful AI agent. Yesterday I think everyone saw how it was automating the tasks and it was showing us the back end, right? Most AI will not show you the back end, but that's one thing I love about Manus. Manus will show you the front end, will also show you what the back end. Did you get it now? So now the only reason why this trigger ticked is because my credentials, my Gmail credentials is already present on the interface. Without it present, it will never tick. See, hope I'm not taking you guys trabaye. I mean, you guys, do you get what I'm saying? Is it complex? Is it complex? Are you sure?
It's complex, so it's complex for them.
It's complex for you guys. Wait, is it complex? Wait, if the comment members are saying it's complex, these guys are saying it's not complex, huh? Their brain are still fresh. Abasi, is it complex? It's not complex, huh?
Because he has been following. I think it's those that have been.
Yes. Complex. Peace, sister, peace. Is it complex? Papa, peace. Is it complex? See, nothing happens like magic, right? See, hold on. One house, please. You want to learn programming language. All of these things, there's what we call low-code tools. And there's something we call no-code tools. Those things join together. Low-code tools like, what's the word? Like that, the name of that stuff they use WordPress. Thank you. We have WordPress. You can use WordPress to create most website. All of those things join together. Most of this AI join together is like another programming language of itself, right? So that was why I was telling you yesterday, if you want to learn programming language in this era, I will advise you want to start learning programming, don't learn it. The minimum months that you should use in learning programming language in this era should be 1 month. If it is Python you want to learn, use 1 month, learn the basics. Don't learn the basics, you are good to go. Because AI is there, AI will generate everything for you, you don't have problem. But if you don't know the basic and AI is generating the Python code for you and you are able to recognize whether this is a Python code or not, what you love, you get it now. And so don't worry, we'll take it one after the other. But I believe the fact that I'm sensitizing you guys. If another day you come across something like this, even if you are able to do anything at all, you know that this is what an AI agent, right? And this is also anything platform. You don't need to grab everything once and for all, right? So my initial intention is that I was going to navigate between this guy and teaching you guys other things. So I'll come back to this. So we created node 1, right? We'll continue. Please go to Canva. Let me show you something. So now I know most graphic designers, this is their best friend. If you are not using Photoshop, you use this guy here, right? But there are a lot of things you can do, a lot, because this guy has his own AI, right? Is the AI present? AI, click on this. This is Canva AI. So you can use it. You don't need to start designing from scratch, from the beginning, right? Go to Canva AI. Let's see what we can do. Go to Canva AI.
That's where I am.
Okay, that's where you are. Now, you see, we have 3 things. We have your designs, we have templates, we have Canva AI. You see, we have design for me, create an image, draft a document, code for me. There was no code for me in Canva before. Those of you that Canva back in those days, then create the video clip. Now those slides that I showed you that I've been using for my presentation, this is where I created them, right? This is where I created them. So I just did some little hands on them. I was good to go. So let's go to your design. Go to your design. Go to your design. Go back to Canva AI. Go back to Canva AI. There is scroll down a little bit. There's something I'm looking for where we have presentation. Go. I don't want to create an image. Everyone knows how to create image with ChatGPT, but there's something that stands out when it comes to ChatGPT and this Canva AI, right? ChatGPT, if you want to create video in ChatGPT, you use Sora. If you want to create video in Google Gemini, use VO3, right? This guy too, thank you, that's very good. So this is what I'm talking about. This, you can do this, you can do documents, you can do whiteboard. Those are the ones that teach online. You can use whiteboard, you can use Canva for your class. You get it? You can do a presentation file. If I click any topic now, artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics, programming languages, cyber security and the likes. If I click it now and I want to do a presentation, it's going to create a very good presentation slide for me. This guy, in fact, is a very jealous AI. The reason is because there was an AI, what's the name of the AI, that usually creates presentation slide. But when they notice that their model is paid, you have to pay for their models, then they decide to bring this guy free. So that was why I told you that most of these AIs that we have, they do what we call model copying. They copy most of the models, right? They start copying. So tomorrow now, you yourself, you can come up and see that, okay, this guy, they have paid version. Start your free trial. It simply means that there is an advanced part, right? You can come up tomorrow and check out the flaws of this AI. What is this AI not doing? Then you incorporate it into your own personal AI that you want to do. So we are moving gradually when it comes to the concept of what AI. So which of these should we do? Which of these should we do? I want someone to pick anyone. Which of these should we test? Presentation. Yeah, click on presentation. Click on presentation. Who remember this? Those of us that you see this is my first. This was like the first slide. Then I use part of this for the second slide. So search what topic should we search for? What topic should we search for? What topic should we were not around yesterday? I think this is the first time I'm saying what topic should we start with? So, you don't know. Should we start with? No, I want you to choose one. Indices. Most people will not understand indices. Advertising. Oh yeah, search for advertising. Search for advertising. Or advertisement. So you see, whenever you see this guy here, what does it mean? Pay. So there are free versions that you can. Okay, let's check the first one. So we have 15 slides. Click on it. Click on the first one. So you see, apply of 15 pages. So if you want to do any presentation of your choice, you come to Canva, pick anything, advertising presentation, search the topic. No matter the topic you search, you see it there. The only thing you just need to do is little adjustment. It's not that they are going to give you everything, right? You just see that, oh, this does not make any sense, just scrape it off, then bring in your own idea and bring in your own concept. So we check for presentation. So this era, you don't have anything. Those in school, those in higher institution, you want to do presentation. I see people paying for presentation. You are paying money for. Well, this is a secret, sir. If you have anybody that wants to do presentation, you can tell them. You know the way now. All right. Yeah, go back. So what else should we check out?
Social media.
Please go to the social media. Go to social media. Now you see, social media is very good because they know most people post on their respective social media handles. They are popular IG, Facebook, LinkedIn. So let's pick this guy. Go down, scroll down. So this is an introduction. If you want to make videos, go up. I mean up. So go to, scroll down a little bit. Pick any one of your choice. Pick any one of your choice. Okay, let me adjust the projector. So you can see the screen clear. The screen is not clear.
It's okay.
Okay. There is one I saw yesterday. It's for. Is this everything? No, I don't want a flyer. Anybody can easily create a flyer. I want the one that has a video format. Yeah, please click on this. Yeah. Click on this. Play the video. This is not, it's meant to show, okay. So if you want to do something like this, probably you want to do a video for someone, you can edit it, remove the face of this young woman, remove the name and edit. And of course, you just use, it's either you use InShot. I use InShot. Most people use, what's the popular one? CapCut. Most people use CapCut to match their videos and all. So let's go back to YouTube. Go back. There's YouTube there. Check for YouTube. Or search, click on popular. YouTube thumbnails or YouTube banner. No, don't search for it.
YouTube, check.
Don't search. Just click on Facebook. Click on Facebook. No, that's a flyer. I don't want a flyer. There was one I saw yesterday that, you know, there, if you go on YouTube very well, there are some videos that at the end of the day, you see, they'll ask you to subscribe, click the subscription button, blah, 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 blah. So there is a template for those things. So you don't need to start designing this stuff again, right? You can use it. But don't worry, let's move on. Cancel that. Go back to video. Go to video now. Yes. I think this is where we see most of it. Scroll down. So this is YouTube landscape, video templates, and all. So if you want to use any template of your choice, you want to use anyone for your marketing, blah blah blah, the first point of your videos, you can use any of these templates of your choice to start, and you are good to go. And if you want to create videos, you can as well use VO3 to create your videos. Now the most important thing is how to create long videos. Let me just be honest with you. Most 90% of the AIs that we have, they are not going to give you full version of videos, but there is one you can use that you have unlimited access to videos. But the videos you are going to see, they are not humanoid. They are, you won't see humans. It's just, let's say you are very good at something and you want to give an explanation to that particular thing. You use that platform to create it. But most of the IDs that we have, they are online, right? So that's what I'm going to show you now. So I use Google Colab. Go to Google Colab. Don't worry, we'll still go back to our anything class. We'll go back to our anything class. Go to Google Colab. Yeah, this one. Yes. Go to Google Colab. Now, this platform is one of the most powerful platforms when it comes to the generation of content, not image content. Are you getting it now? Now, before you can start doing anything here, you must configure the interface. You must do what we call configuration. If you did not configure, it's never going to work. You get it now? Now, this is Google Colab. Google Colab simply means that they are collaborating with other companies that give them leverage to access them, right? So before you start coding or generate with AI, it has its own AI, but I will not advise you to use its own AI. Now, I want you to go to another, a company that give it access for configuring the interface. So that's Money. Yeah, go to Money. Click plus icon. Yeah, that's Money. Come to document. You see how we are doing it. Come to document. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. Go up. Go up. Go up. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Thank you. Come to installation. Installation. Yeah, scroll down now. Scroll down. Hold on, scroll up, scroll up. There's something you want to copy from me. Scroll up a little bit. Scroll up. Scroll, keep on scrolling. There's something we want to copy to configure that other platform. Come here. Yes, come to Jupyter Notebook. Hold on. You see, we have Jupyter Notebook. That Jupyter Notebook is, you can also use Jupyter, you can also use Google Colab. Now, after going to Jupyter Notebook, are you there? Now scroll down for Jupyter Notebook. Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. Keep on scrolling. Yeah, hold on. This is what we are copying. Now, this code that we have here is what we use to configure Google Colab. I get it. Copy, thank you. Copy it. Back to Google Colab. Paste the code here. Now run the code. Run it. Yeah. Run the code here. So, we are going to wait for about 3 minutes for the code to run. So, you are going to see how everything runs. So the code is already running. Keep on scrolling as it is running. So it's still running. So it will take about 3 minutes for the code to run. But while this is running, let's navigate to Chat, any area of our choice. Let's go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. No. Plus ChatGPT. Okay. Click on it. So I want someone to pick any topic of your choice. Any topic of your choice that we want to discuss on. We want to create a video on that topic, right? We are creating a video, an explanation. Let it be academic-wise, academic-based video.
Your account is there. Your account is in the system.
Cyber security. Okay. Now, right. Follow my prompt. What is it?
Let's have login.
It's not logged in. Yeah, logged in now. Log in with your Google account. Press login.
She doesn't log in.
You don't have ChatGPT account?
I am.
Yeah. Wait, if you open, just create a new chat.
Say you use mine.
Don't worry, just don't do it now. Continue. Continue. I doubt if it will allow you to go in. Send a verification code to you when you accept.
It's on your email.
Don't worry, I'll see. This will be
On the email.
sorry, Daddy. Check. Yeah, 898-642. 898-642. 898-642. So those of us that were not around, those of day before yesterday, I told you if you want to have access to the latest version of ChatGPT, you go to chatgptplus.cn. chatgptplus.cn. Now, what can I help you with? What can I help you with? Hello, Amy. Now, we want to create a video, and I said earlier that what topic did you choose? What topic? Someone says on cyber security. Write a manual on cyber security. Write a manual. Manual. M-A-N-I-N. Write manual on cyber security. On cyber security. Manual on cyber security. Click on it.
Money. This spell the money.
Click on manual code. Manual code. N-I-N. I-N.
I-M.
Manual code on cyber security. Yeah, click on it. So keep on scrolling. So it's writing the code for us. So we use the code to generate our video. The video wants to generate now. So keep on scrolling. Stay there. Go back to Google Colab. Let's see if our configuration is done. Allow. Restart section. So our configuration is done. Scroll down from here. Yes, thank you. Scroll down. So our configuration is done. You see, all of these things that we have, they are the configuration process. Without this on Google Colab, no matter the type of code you post or you paste, we never produce or generate video. So you must pass through the process of configuring the platform before you can create video. So we can go ahead and create our video now. Click on code plus code. Click on plus code. Now go back to manage community. Scroll down. Click this code. Copy this one. Copy this guy. Go back to Google Colab. Paste it here. Run it. Now it is checked, right? So for you to see this, it simply means that you can now create videos successfully. What this will do for you, most of the AIs that we have will not do for you. The highest video that I've seen that an AI generates, I mean for the free version, is 8 seconds. Maximum 10 seconds, right? The one I showed you yesterday was 8 seconds by Google DOP, right? For this guy, you can create as many as long as you want, right? You just keep on updating and merging up, keep on pasting and merging up. So put on code plus code again. Let's look at video now. Go to manning. Yeah. Click on it. Scroll down. Copy this guy. Go to Google Colab. Yeah, paste it. That's not our video, but I want to show you something. Yeah, please. Please. So it has worked. So he created the video of a box and a circle, right? So this is an evidence that any video that you create will work, right? If you are copy that code and you paste it and it didn't show anything, it simply means that there is an error while you were configuring your interface. So this is a proof that you've really done something and you can now go ahead and create your video. Now ChatGPT, go back to ChatGPT. Now come here. Now right, use this template. Use this template. Use this template. Don't worry, understand the error. Don't worry, keep on going. Use this template and paste that thing you copy. Enter. So let's see. Don't forget we are doing a video on cyber security, right? So let's go. I think it's done. Copy the code. Copy the code now. Copy the code. Yeah, go back. Press on code and paste it. Yes. Yeah, play. So it's showing us, you see different animation 7. This is the animation. See, this is cyber security, computer, hacker, blah blah blah. Assuming you give it a normal prompt that okay, explain cyber security in details, or use 3 minutes or 4 minutes to explain the whole of cyber security in 10 scenes, in 10 different scenes. You see scene 1, you see scene 2, you see scene 3, you see scene 4, scene 5, up to scene 10. So any prompt you give, the reason why it is this, it gave us something like this, is just that we are not so specific, right? Assuming you were so specific, it's going to give you cyber security, the meaning of cyber security. So for somebody that wants to do video, you want to explain something to someone online, you can use this concept and explain. Most ChatGPT most AI will not do this for you. You get it? They will never do this for you. I don't know about the paid version of most of the AI that we have. Most of them will not do this for you. But if you want to do something based on explanation or even graphs, even if it is diagram, be it sample, anything, not just this is just the basic part of how to generate videos when it comes to Google Colab. You can use another ID, you can use Jupyter, but the one I use most of the time is Google Colab. You get it now. So this is how to do video. Do we have any question? Do you have any question before we proceed? I want us to move back to our workflow. Do anybody have a question? A question. Do you have a question? Do you have a question, sir? Do you have a question? Did you understand the process, or the process is difficult? Should I come again about the process? Okay. So now 3 platforms you are going to use in generating the video. Number 1, Google Colab. Right. Those of us that want to write. 3 platforms you are going to use in generating this video. Number 1, Google Colab. Number 2, Manning Community. First one, Google Colab. Second one, Manning Community. And the third one, ChatGPT or any AI of your choice. I use DeepSeek. I know ChatGPT. ChatGPT is outdated for me. ChatGPT is out. I use DeepSeek. DeepSeek is the AI that I use. So use Manning is compulsory. Google Colab is very, very compulsory. And any AI of your choice, you can decide to choose any one of your choice. You get it now. So those are the 3 platforms you can use in generating videos of this nature, right? This is not explicit enough. Assuming you have used this, you see an explicit explanation of what cyber security is, right? So let's go back to this. Let me explain it again. Go back to Manning. Go back to Money. Now when you go to this website, if you click on this arrow, let me take you through the process again. You come to Jupyter Notebook. After you come to Jupyter Notebook, it's Jupyter Notebook that you use in doing everything. You copy the first code. Go back. The first code. Where's the first code? Not this one. This one. No, not this one. This one. This is the first code. You are copying 3 things for here. You copy this one first. Go down. Copy this one second. And you copy this one third. This is number 3. So these are the 3 things that you'll be copying from here. Now if you copy the first one, you go to Google Colab, you paste it there. That's the process of configuration. You configure the space, you configure the interface to show that you can have approval of doing your video. Then you go to the second link, again you copy it and paste it. After pasting it, it's going to give you a check that truly you are ready to go. Then you go to the third one and paste it. It's going to generate a video for you. Now it is now your choice to do any topic of your choice, anything that you want to do at all. Even if it is adverts you want to do for any project, just go there, copy it, go to any area of your choice, give me an advert format of this particular thing, right? Then you know normally before you do something like this, before now if you want to do something like this, you have to go to Insert, Time Master, CapCut and the likes to make all of these videos, and it will take a whole lot of time, right? You copy the first code and you paste it, then you are good to go. I believe did you get that? Did you get it? Alright, so let's go back to our workflow. I'll still come here as time goes on. So this is here, the last time. Not this one. Okay, this one. So if you click on execute the workflow now, let's see what happens. You see, error in some node models. Node does not have any credentials set. That is the reason why there is an error, is because we've not inserted node. There's something called subnode. This is a node. Remove this. Remove that. Yeah. All of this is a subnode. This is a node. This one is subnode. This is subnode. This is subnode. If you want to add anything, if you add this plus icon, you are going to add some other thing. Now this is our node. Now let's bring in the credentials. Do you still remember the process we used when we wanted to create our trigger? We are going to use the same process again to add our ChatGPT account to this model, right? We want to add our ChatGPT account to this model. So let's add our ChatGPT account. Click on it. You click on that, then you open. So you see credentials to connect with. What did you see here? OpenAI account. What's OpenAI? The name of the company. Do you get it now? The name of the company that produced ChatGPT. So if you want to add anything, Facebook, for example, what you are going to see there is Meta. Do you get it now? They are the ones that will give you an API key before you can create your own workflow. Right? Before you can create, now we are in a ChatGPT, we are in an AI era, right? If you are confused about anything, go to ChatGPT. That's how I do. Sometimes, of course, I'm a human. There are possibilities that I will forget some things, right? So let's assume you are here. Go back. I want to show you how to go through the process. For those of us that don't understand the process of how we generated video using Google Colab, and I know most of us are writing. Well, let's assume that maybe you step outside. That note that is with you now, you are able to find it. How do you think you are going to remember most of these things? How? Go to ChatGPT. Let me take you the process. Now, right. No. Yeah, ask. Or nature. Thank you. Nature. So, tell ChatGPT, I want to create a video using Google Colab and Money. Google Colab and manage. I want to create the video using Google Colab and manage. Walk me through the process. Walk me through the process. Walk me through the process. Yeah, enter. So you see, this is a practical way of using ChatGPT. Right? You don't necessarily need to start storing information or start checking your book. And what did they teach us today? Let me check. Right? The thing is that your blog just go through the process. So explaining video creation in collab with manage. So hold on, you see going on. So you see, we have manage setup in collab. So anything you want to do in this area and you are confused, I wonder why you come to me and ask some certain questions that I expect you to know. Even if you don't know, go and ask Google. Ask Google, normal thing now. Ask Google. But there's no, you have Google now, you can ask Google AI, Gemini, right? Adding audio text, don't worry, this is not what we do. This is not what we do. You see it now. You see it now. Skip. Click on skip. I don't know why it's getting slow. Okay, you see, let's go step by step on how you can create this. You see, the first thing said step 1, open a Colab notebook. Go to Google Colab, create a new notebook. Step 2, install Manning. Now this guy, they didn't ask you to go to Manning. They provided the code straight. So it will even save you the stress of navigating through Manning and copying your code. So you just copy this code, follow the instructions, and you are good to go. Right? You see, step 3, set up Manning in Colab, copy this, paste it there, then load the digital extension, this, create your first scene. Now let's use a square circle to help you. After copying, just follow the process. Keep on copy, paste. That's how to do it, right? Same thing if you want to create a workflow, you want to automate a task. You say, I want to just right, my customer, my mommy has blah 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 blah, and she has a lot of debtors, and I want to create a workflow, a very good workflow to make it easy for me. You as a human, there are possibilities that you won't know the right process or the right path to go through. Just write everything. You don't have to construct you don't have to use normal scholar English. Just put your own spell. You understand? You get it down. You just paste and it's going to walk you through what's the process. Right? So let's go back to anything. I think they are already signaling me. Go back to anything. Let me explain something quickly. Now this is the sub node. And this is email classification. I want you to add this. Click on plus. Now, all of these are your credentials. You want to add anything of your choice. Let's say you want to add Telegram. You want to add WhatsApp. Check. Search for WhatsApp. See, there's WhatsApp. There's WhatsApp business there. Let's say you want to be sending message to your customers, right? And you don't want to pass through the process of start listening to them one after the other. And just after creating this work, we just come and say, send message to all the people that said, what's the word now? Lead. I think lead. Yeah. Click on WhatsApp business. After adding my WhatsApp, so it's not going to work. So these are the things, these are the actions. How many actions do we have there? 6 actions, 6 different things you can do. The first one is send message and wait for response, send template, upload media, go down, download media, delete media. So let's check the triggers. How many triggers we have? Scroll down. See, triggers on account review update, on account update, on business card. So all of these things are what you can do. You can automate all of these things. You get it now? So yeah, click on it, let's add it. Click on what? Start WhatsApp. Yes, right click. No.
Just choose an action.
Don't click, just don't click. Click on action. Click on action. Select one. Send message. Send message. Now, you see, you click on send message only. You can come back and click other ones, but let's start with the first one. Now, you see credentials. You see, I've not added my WhatsApp account because before you add your WhatsApp account, the WhatsApp Meta company, the owner of WhatsApp, they request that you provide your API. That's why I said nobody can just come and say you want to automate your task. You have one API. Most of these companies, they have their respective APIs. Nobody can, you can't pick my own, I can't also pick your own. So if I select credentials now, I can't add WhatsApp because when I was showing you my credentials, you notice that WhatsApp was not there. Right? As soon as I added my WhatsApp, it's going to be very possible. So you see, select credentials. If you select search of credentials now, select credentials. You see, there is no WhatsApp. Right? So unless you create new credentials by adding your WhatsApp. Should I do a recap?
From the beginning of what you before you finish.
From the beginning.
Before you finish, just do a recap from the beginning for those that missed first this.
Okay. All right. So that is that. Oh yeah, go back. Right. So those of you guys, for some of us that want to learn AI automation, is a skill on its own. You want to learn it, you have to take your time. It's not something you just pick up one day and start doing it, right? And that was why the program was for 3 days, right? It's for 3 days. And in fact, before I told you that 3 days is not enough to explain the concept of artificial intelligence. The bootcamp is artificial intelligence. So that's what we are discussing. And they want the give an elaborate view of what artificial intelligence is. AI models. I told you that Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of these platforms that we have, they are built on machine learning algorithm and deep learning based models, right? So that was what we discussed in day one. So artificial intelligence has been existing even before the emergence of most of these AI that we have, ChatGPT. There was artificial intelligence. Facebook run on machine learning models, right? I can't start explaining the concept of machine learning because it is I don't know, but as time goes on, when you want to learn any skill in this era, I will advise you, in order not to be outdated in the coming generation, try as much as possible to learn artificial intelligence so that you will not be like an old man that has an ATM card, that has ATM and is using POS. You get it now. So try as much as possible to use artificial intelligence. I think this is where we end today's class, and okay, before that, let me see those of us that have questions and we are good to go. Any question? Do we have question? Any question? Do anybody have question? Moderators, tell your people to ask question now. We are the moderators. Tell your people to ask question.
If you have question on everything that been taught from the very first day, you can feel free to ask. Or any question, but it should be related to AI, please. If you have any question, feel free to ask now.
Let me pass that.
Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity to ask my question. I tried creating this workflow Instagram. Then I added WhatsApp and I want to execute the stuff. And they are telling that the workflow has issues. You understand? It has issues and it cannot be executed for.
Yes. When you were adding your credentials, you didn't start your API. It's never going to work. Any company, anything, any app that you want to put, most of them have API. OpenAI has API. I can't just come up. Please, can you go back to my workflow? Let me just show them something. Go back to my workflow. Let me show you something. The one I did. Yeah, click on this. This is the one I did. Open it. Open it. Yeah. Is it this one? No, not this one. Not this one. The first one. Yeah, this one. Yes. So now if you click on execute workflow, click on execute workflow. Click on execute workflow. You are going to see something. So you see, it is running. It is running. But when you get to this place, there is going to be an error. Why? Because I didn't upload. I'm yet to upload my API. You get it? The reason why this one was able to go was because I uploaded my API. This one I uploaded my API, right? In any one that you uploaded and there's no API, to no go. You get it? And if it's working, you see how it was running. That's how it's going to run. Then it will deliver your message. So if you want to do anything, just come, type your message, and you are going to go and see. It's going to do everything for you without you doing any other thing. Right?
My second question is, that one with copy code to paste. I did not get what you said here because I copied code. I went to that community to paste it. I did not see any space near and to paste. So is there any?
Yeah, go back. Ellie, please go back to the go back to the Google Lab. Let me show you. When you got here, you didn't see any space, have you? It's because when you get here, you are going to click on plus code. So it's going to create a space. I click on plus code, let's see. Plus code. So it's going to create a space for you. So this is the space. You get it.
Daniel.
Alright, someone has a question.
He created a website. Yes.
Okay, I'm coming.
Is for the benefit of those that have not been worked over.
Okay.
Can we get access to the material? I mean, this.
The material?
Yes.
Can watch the video. You know it's online. Those that.
Oh, is your YouTube videos, is it recorded?
Yes, it is.
I'll always go back to what
Yes.
So that was online.
Alright.
Yes.
And for our question, she does not have data.
Alright, okay, you have a question.
No, he created a website.
Everything Max is question.
He doesn't have a question. He posted on the group that I was able to create a website after.
Ask his question.
Do you have a question? He does.
Okay, ask the question. Who's the man?
No, I'm not asking a question. He sent a message on the group and he was like he was able to create a website yesterday using this. So I just wanted him to give a brief summary.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay, so what did you do, Abasi?
And if we can see it, is it possible
Alright,
for us to
let's
see
see.
the website?
Okay, can we see it? Let me see. Yeah, explain. How did you go about it?
Okay, I just went to Play Store to download the Manus AI app. And I asked it if it could be able to create a website, and it said that was possible. Then I asked him for the parameters. He asked me to describe how I wanted the website to be, and I gave him some clue. I gave him the WhatsApp number, phone numbers, and contact. He asked what the website was meant for. I told him bakery stuff. So he asked whether I have pictures for it. Huh? So he asked whether I had pictures for the stuff or whether he should find pictures for it. I told him to find pictures and it was able to generate.
Can we appreciate it, please? Thank you very much. So, in fact, I don't know the word now. I'm a bit motivated for real. See, I most web. It doesn't have to be a web developer or a software engineer before you can do most of these things, right? And I've always said it from day one. No matter how it is, no matter how good you are, no matter how expert you are in a particular field, this AI that you are seeing, it will definitely help you. Most web developers normally those guys will take like 1 week, 2 weeks, but with the help of AI, they understand the concept, but with also the help of AI, they just use 3 days, finish the work, and say they use 3 weeks for the project. So they are finished, if they are finished project, they will just they use 3 weeks, right? So just for their customers to pay them well. So that's a very good one. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for trying that out. And I believe you are going to, as time goes on, you become better. Yeah, I believe so. All right. Any other question? Any other question?
Okay.
So my question is, are we going to copy the code, like the code, before we add anything? Must we paste the code first?
You copy the code one after the other.
Like, the second one, you paste it.
You copy the first one, paste and run the code. After running the code, you copy the second one and run it again. Then you now go ahead and generate any video format of your choice. Yes. Use it.
Okay, we copy the first one, we paste it, and allow it to run. Second one, we paste it, allow it to run. The third one.
The second one basically is for verification. If you want to verify whether the platform is configured already, that's the second one.
So now we now paste the third one too.
Yes.
Then we now ask the question we need to answer.
Or you go to ChatGPT or any other choice. I use DeepSeek, right? Then because DeepSeek tends to generate longer versions compared to ChatGPT, right? I use DeepSeek or Perplexity most of the time, right? So just go there, give out your ideas, create a manning code. Create a manning code, it's going to generate the code. The copy, come back to Google Colab, paste it there, and you are good to go. You can also change the background if you don't want black. Say change the background to white. You can change it any color of your choice. Okay. All right. Any other question? You have a question?
Thank you so much, sir. So my question is on this workflow, right? So you said something about if you want to send message. So for instance, if I have like vectors, I want to send message to on WhatsApp, my trigger always be Gmail. Like I just want to understand the whole process. So if I have like different platforms, maybe a CRM platform, I have an accounting software that I use, and let's just say those two, and I upload it down. Must an email be there, or what else can be my trigger?
This guy is like your source.
Okay.
I get it. It's just like your foundation. Where you want all of the whole process to be coming from. That's the source. So you can, if it is an app that you have most of the information, somebody like me now, if you have an Excel sheet that you want to extract information from, just use your Excel sheet as your trigger. Yes, so
the subnodes would be like maybe other.
Yes, subnodes are other things that this one is the AI agent itself. This is the agentic AI itself. It's not like the brain where you process everything, where you instruct the AI that this is your job, this is what I want you to be doing for me. You are an AI agent. There are some limitations that you will not bypass, right? So you give out your instructions and you are good to go. So this is where the work is. The work is not here. The work is not also the end point where you add your social media handles. That's not the work. Where the work is this guy. You get it. All right. Do you have a question? Any other question? Any other question? All right, moderators.
Okay.
Okay, someone has a question.
Stop stream.
He has a question. Okay.
Sorry, I have sense of questions.
All right.
So, for someone trying to go through population, maybe partially, I see a lot of ticket reviews that do the population. how can I achieve that within the shortest period of time using AI?
Shortcuts within AI, using AI. Is there a shortcut to life?
Let's say, for example, I want to be selling weed.
Okay.
How can AI help me?
I don't understand your question. Please try to question. Maybe you should leave our hair alone first.
Let me stand up so that you understand me better. This is why. So I want to open a TikTok account that should be ready for monetization as soon as possible. But the content I want to be posting has to be generated by AI.
Okay.
And it has to do with, let's say, redefining a video
Okay.
of a work setting, or probably I'm looking at a niche like sports, where people engage a lot. Just a short clip where I can turn the players into cartoon-like pictures or videos. Just a short clip
Okay.
or something like that. So how can I do that? I'm sorry, I've not been present this time, but I'll be joining you.
On YouTube. Oh, thank you very much. Now, that's a very good question. You said you want to create AI animations. Animations, Abby, and you want something to always automate your tasks by posting them on TikTok. Yesterday, I said something about that. I said TikTok, Facebook, all of these platforms, they are built on machine learning algorithm. Before I go to your question, first, those things, that the reason why you see most people go viral is because there is a consistency in the type of niche they are. If you are posting if you are posting football, you post football for a very long time. It doesn't make sense for you to post football today, post the other guy tomorrow, right? So you must stick to one. If you want to use AI agent, let's say this is where your source is from, and your endpoint where you will be distributing your video is TikTok. Right? What you are going to do, all of these narrations you made now, this is who you are going to explain it to. You get it down. This is like the brain. You are going to tell it that, of course, this is an AI model. You don't really want to create the video. You are going to look for platform that create videos. You can add Google View 3 as a subnode that creates videos. Or this, after creating the video, you send the video and building the brain, you send the video to TikTok. Now before that, there is a way you can add your Gmail account such that before you post something, there is a way it will send it to your Gmail and tell you to confirm whether that thing you can post it or not. As a normal human being, before you post something, you definitely review it now, right? So you can add your Gmail. Okay, before you do this thing, send it to my Gmail, let me confirm. Now there's one I saw recently. What the guy does is that he used Canva. Then he said, go to Canva, create a content for me, create 10 videos and write motivational quote. After writing the motivational quote, just keep on sending it to TikTok for me. You can automate the days. It can be every Tuesdays, it can be every day, it can be every Friday. Right? So it is good but you have to put on the work. That's why it is called AI agent. You know that you don't want to do this thing every day, then you must sit down and start thinking. It's not that you just come and bring in your this, add this. Before you can get this, you must bring in your credentials, explain. Just see as if you want to build somebody, an assistant. Let's assume I was giving a scenario where I got out and I said, if you want to build a human being, you build the head, the brain, the hand, and so that's exactly how you are going to do. So you have to take your time. It's not something you have to rush into. You can use a month, you can use 1 week, you can use 2 weeks. It depends on your level of seriousness and you are good to go. Alright, any other question? Okay, Papa has a question. Please the mic.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to ask about, because me, especially I based on project writing. I usually involve in project writing. So in project writing, if for instance, like maybe I want to write a project, I want to embark on a project with someone, manually now, if then people embark on one same topic, manually it will be different from each other. But what about AI? When you think like 10 people now go to AI and ask the question, I want to embark on a particular project, like leave this same thing that 10 people. Because manually it will be different. No matter the amount of people that embark on that project, manually that same topic will be different entirely. But with AI is different entirely. You get my question?
Okay, yeah, I get your question. But before I answer the question, I have a question for you. Have you ever written project using AI before? You have not.
I usually go to library and online.
You go to library and write project for people. Like, how many months do you use the writing separate?
You know, like to get my research, like what I want to get from library, I usually depend on library and online.
Okay, library and online. What online platform do you use mostly?
Like what's Google?
Google. You use Google. Okay. Now our advice, let me just give you an advice. If you want to write project, not any other project, use Google Gemini, Google AI. Don't use ChatGPT. Use Google Gemini for projects. The reason is because most of those sources, most of those AIs, their informations are actually from Google. There are some projects you can write with AI. Please hold on. I was writing an engineering project for someone, and trust me, I tell you this for free. There are some professors that will know if you are writing projects and you are using AI, they will know, right? And this is how you should charge. If I come to you as a project student and say write my project for me, then you are going to give that person 3 different things. That person definitely know that we are in the era of AI. So he's going to know that there is possibility that you are going to use AI for his project. So you are going to give 3 formats: 100,000, 150K, 200K. You want me to use AI for you, 100K. You want me to not to use AI, 150K. Then you look for another thing, right? For real. If you don't want to write a project without AI in this era, you do like this. You do like this. Forget the fact that you are going to paraphrase it. Forget the fact that you are going to use ChatGPT 0. ChatGPT 0 will make your AI work look like human. You can humanize. In fact, if you go to ChatGPT and type / humanize, it's going to humanize it. But trust me, there is an app, there is an AI agent that will tell you that this thing is written by an AI. You get it now? So it's always very good to be plain at the beginning that, okay, this project I want to write for you, I want to use AI for you. So at the end of the day, supervisor palava is not something I know what I'm saying. So that's how to go about that. Thank you. Any other question? Let the student ask the question now. You don't have a question? Bless you. You don't have a question? You don't have a question? Those of us that are just coming today, I mean the students, those of us that are just coming, can I see your hand? If you are just coming for the first time. Why are you guys sitting at the back? They are just coming for the first time. Why is it there? Please find seat for them now. Let them sit here. You can see Abby. You have a question. What's the meaning of AI? Please pass the mic to me. What's the meaning of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Please can we appreciate it? Okay. Give the second girl. Yeah, I will. Let me just see now. Do you know any AI tool? Do you know any AI tool? Any AI tool? Yes. Do you know any AI tool? So please, if that's the only thing they are going to take home today, because this is the last day, then can we tell them 3 AI tools so they will echo after us? Give them the mic.
ChatGPT.
So what's the most popular AI tool?
ChatGPT.
Another one?
Google Gemini.
Another one?
DeepSeek.
So we have ChatGPT. So at least you know you are telling this bit camp. We have ChatGPT. We have Google Gemini, we have DeepSeek, we have Claude, we have Grok, a lot of them. You don't have to start using, it's not important to start using a lot of AI, right? Just try as much as possible to start.
Copilot.
Use Copilot, yeah. Copilot also has its own AI. So, right? So, if that's the only thing you get today, don't worry, I'll put you good, yeah? Alright, any other question?
Last question, please.
Okay, the last question. The last question.
Going on.
About spring, you don't have a question.
The last question.
Victor, Amos, you don't have a question.
Alright, so since there is no question, I really want to appreciate the SDG team of Etimeku because I don't know. It is very, this is very good. I'm also a core member and I must, I don't want to say, but we are trying, Shabo. I'm motivated because I'm motivated. So I'm glad that I was able to do this with you guys. So thank you very much. I hope to see you soon. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Let's
Please
clap
can we
for
join our hands
him.
together for our facilitator? If you are clapping, let's do better, please. For the past 3 days, he has been here teaching us on how to automate using AI. It's really a long day, like long week. Please join your hands together for him once again. Okay, so I'd like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for coming. Some persons have been consistently coming here. On the first day they were here, second day they were here, third day. Please can you join your hands together for them? I don't want to start mentioning their names, but I'm forced to mention that. Please can you clap for Pastor. He has been so active. He doesn't come alone, he's always participating, asking questions, doing everything. See, if you want to ask for the facilitator number, I'll give it to you, write it for you, anything you want. Even if you want to teach you after today's class, you are free. You and Victor, you guys are free to always message him. Thank you for coming. And also, what's your name?
Blessing too has been. She came.
Yes, please can you clap for Harry? He was even the first person to come on the first day. And these beautiful ladies, these beautiful princess, they all came. I really want to say a very big thank you to even the core members. Sister Orinda from Ipat Eni. She's here from another local government too. Please stand your hands together for her. And our facilitator is also from our local government. Please can you clap for our photographer? Hey! All those beautiful pictures you can see. It's the one and you didn't collect a dime. After the special date of God, you don't collect a dime. So I really want us to okay, I'm coming. Before that, I want us to please stand up and jam your heads together for the assistant pastor of Winners Chapel. He's here with us to support us. The person of Mr. Pastor Emmanuel. Please jam your heads together. Thank you so much. We're so glad to have you here. May God honor you and bless you. You said you were going to come yesterday. You came. Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. You can all have a seat, sorry.
Ready feeling.
Okay, I think the facilitator wants to say something before I continue.
Alright, so I didn't even know Pastor was around. Thank you so much, sir, for me. I actually want to appreciate Obi because the first outreach we did at my local government, Pateni, I just met him recently and I asked him to come and he came and we did our first outreach. In fact, this one that he came, I was so shocked and he has actually been helping. This is not me saying that those of you that will take picture will not pay your money. Those of you that will take picture, it has been with us since day one up to this moment. Thank you so much, Obi. I really appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
We love you. Thank you so much for the beautiful pictures and thank you for the service. Even if they did not thank me for hosting them, I'm thanking myself now. Thank you so much. I really do not.
Just quick plus.
I do not.